Earn more with these affiliate marketing tips. If you think you've found a great product online that other people might want, you may find your calling with affiliate marketing. If you are able to drive customers to purchase a company's product, you will earn a healthy commission and perhaps even find a permanent career. Follow the advice in this video and you will learn that marketing is a lot easier than it sounds. Create a feeling of scarcity. By making your product seem like it's in limited supply, or by making your service appear to go up in price after a certain date, visitors to your site are faced with a time-sensitive dilemma. They are more likely to make a positive decision about your product because they don't want to miss out on a great deal. Make sure that content on affiliate marketing websites are written in the proper language. If your site targets mostly visitors from the UK, have content written in the Queen's English. Also, make sure that word usage and sentence structure are correct. Content that is in badly written English turns potential customers away, especially UK customers. If you are a business owner considering setting up an affiliate marketing program for your products, limit the number of sites you allow to be your affiliates. If you have an overwhelming number of affiliate links and videos, they can actually bury your product page in search results. Only allow quality sites to link you and limit their number. If the site isn't performing, consider revoking their affiliate status. A great affiliate marketing tip is to take time to understand your market. Try to see where others have failed and then create a solution to those problems. If you can come up with a solution to a problem, you'll have an opportunity to promote an affiliate product. With affiliate marketing, there is no best network. There are many favorites, and everyone has their own personal reason as to why they prefer one over the other. You will find that each network is good in its own right. Your network selection should be based on what the network can do for you. If you are using an affiliate program and you aren't seeing the results you like, don't be afraid to try a different one. All affiliate programs are not the same. Each program is different with different pay structures, different products, and different services. You will eventually find an affiliate program that will work with you and your site's needs. There's all kinds of advice online about how you should conduct your affiliate marketing business, and most of strategies will work with patience and consistency. The key is to choose one course of action and stay with it. Use pay-per-click or email marketing or blogging. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to do all of them at once. Master one form of marketing and get good at it. Now that you've learned some sound advice about affiliate marketing, you can begin to develop your campaign and to reach out to your targeted audience. Things may go a little slowly at first, but as long as you're sticking to a solid plan, you will eventually pull in the traffic you're after and ultimately start earning commissions. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.